Hey there growers, I'm Dylan, and welcome back to the Grow Closet. So today we're going to be talking about GreenGro's AutoBox. So this is a brand new item on the market as of April, and the reason why they created this was to kind of get ahead of the curve for when federal legalization of cannabis rolls through. Their mindset is that a lot of people are going to want to start home growing, and the easiest way to do that is by growing autoflowers. So all you'll need to start your grow is this box. There's actually a coupon inside for buying seeds online, and then you'll need any type of pot, whether it be fabric or plastic, whatever you'd like to grow in, and then soil. It is recommended to use the Prylan's veg soil because if you do use it, your nutrition is in that soil for 3 weeks and you won't have to add anything additional for the first 3 weeks of your seed or your autoflower, whatever you feel like growing, for the first few weeks, and then you'll start transitioning into the bloom. So let's go ahead and dive in. So as you can see, the first thing on this is a book by Jeff Lowenfels, which is a very popular author and cultivator in the cannabis industry. And so this is his DIY autoflowering book. Very cool to have in your kit. And then you have this, which is just a really nice plan for your starting your seeds. Has a nice little step-by-step process for all of that. But on the back, it even shows you a timeline from seed starting, vegetative phase, transition, bloom phase. Makes it very, very easy to get started. Going back, we also see that you have the discount to Mosca Seeds. And it's 20% off when you use this code. So this company may change just depending on what deals they have from various seed vendors. But right now they're going with Mosca Seeds, which seems like a very cool company. I've yet to use this online company, but I did check out their website after hearing about this, and it looks like they have some very good products. Then, right on top, we have the flower finisher. So you're going to be using this towards the end of your bloom cycle, just right as the box says, density, terpenes, stacking. It's a really great product at the end of your bloom. Your green aminos, which you'll be using this throughout your cycle, whether it be vegetative, transition, or bloom, because it's just going to help with any type of shock or, make sure that you have as much as nutrition as possible. Then you have the Prylan's Bloom, which can be used as a top dress as well if you'd like. And this is going to get you entirely through your bloom. And then you have your bricks, which is also going to be great for bloom. It's going to carb up your plants. It's going to help, promote any type of bricks development in the leaves or in the entirety of the cannabis plant. And so, looking at this box and looking at all the products that you get with it, it's just so easy to open up this box and grab some soil, grab some pots, and get to growing. So as you can see, this box is all encompassing for everything you need to start your grow. You just need to get some pots, get some soil, and you're on your way. Comes with 2 pounds of the bloom, 2 pounds of the green aminos, 2 pounds of the bricks, and 2 pounds of the flower finisher, as well as a nice book to get you started on autoflowers, and then a step-by-step process with a timeline for your cannabis plants. We're really excited to have this product with us. We're excited to share it with you. You can find this product and many more like it at monstergardens.com, or feel free to stop by our Sonoma County location. Thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for us, and if you have any products that you'd like us to feature on Grow Closet, go ahead and comment down below.